Rainbow Learning.
Hi kids! Today we are going to learn about ordinal number. Let's go and learn ordinal number. First, 1 S T. First. Second, 2 and D. Second. Third, 3 R D. Third. Fourth, 4 T H. Fourth. Fifth, 5 T H. Fifth. Sixth, 6 T H. Sixth. Seventh, 7 T H. Seventh. Eighth, 8 T H. Eighth. Ninth, 9 T H. Ninth. 10th, 10 T H. Tenth. So that was ordinal number. Let's learn again. Say with me. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So that was ordinal number. I hope you enjoy the video. Do subscribe and like my video for more videos. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe for more videos.